A salon worker immediately calls 911 after spotting a black line on a woman's nail. The next day, this happened. A routine visit to a salon is not when you receive threatening news about your health. A similar incident took place when Lisa Harrison Williams, who works at a nail salon, encountered a walk-in client at her work one day. What she saw worried her and caused her great concern. The client had a dark vertical line covering her entire nail bed. She requested that Lisa cover her nail with a nail paint darker than the line. What had caused the line? How did she get it? Was it something that was caused genetically, or did it have a deeper reason? All these questions worried Lisa as she tried to get information regarding it without worrying her client. The client informed her how she had been to different manicurists over the years and how everyone had a different opinion regarding what had caused the line. Some thought it was due to calcium deficiency, while others thought it had hereditary basis. Lisa, however, had other ideas regarding it, which later proved to be life-saving for the client. Trying her best to not cause unrequired attention for the client, Lisa asked her to consult a physician as soon as possible, as this was not something new for her and she had experienced this with other clients and had seen this earlier. The woman, on Lisa's suggestion, went to a physician first thing after she left the saloon. She called Lisa after a couple of weeks, informing her of some distressful news. The woman had cancer. It was cancer that had caused the line. As stressful as the news was, the client learned something that she had never expected, which altered her lifestyle and her view on her health. She had a specific type of skin cancer called subungual melanoma, a rare type of aggressive cancer that affects the nail bed. Its symptoms include nail cracking, bleeding, and brittleness. This pigmentation causes the nail to penetrate into the skin and other tissues. Like other cancers, it can also spread, so early detection and removal through surgical methods is important. On the other hand, unlike other cancers, it is not caused by the sun and is rather a result of a trauma or injury. It also occurs more in dark-skinned people. This cancer usually occurs in big toes and thumbs, but it can also be found to be benign in dark-skinned people. The only way to find out is to consult a physician, as Lisa's client did on her recommendation. Soon after this, Lisa posted this incident on her Facebook, which went viral in seconds and may have helped people who might be completely unaware of their underlying medical condition. In her post that went viral, Lisa requested to look out for elderly and the symptoms that appear on one's nails. She also stressed on how early diagnosis can make all the difference. It was only due to Lisa's consideration and keen observations towards a complete stranger that helped the stranger recognize something that she might have never considered. It is important to look out for and not miss signs that our body is giving us on a daily basis. If something in your body looks or feels different, or something appears where it shouldn't, it should never be taken for granted, and a doctor should be consulted. There is a complete possibility that nothing life-threatening has occurred, but there's also a possibility that something dangerous might be going on. So being careful is always beneficial, and as we say, better safe than sorry. So it's equally important to practice this saying in your daily life. That's it for today. Thank you for watching. But before going, make sure you subscribe to our channel and turn on that notification bell to never miss out on interesting stories like these.